Welcome to our comparison of the CORSAIR VENGEANCE LPX DDR4 RAM kits. Today, we will be diving into the specifications and performance of two popular models, the 3200 MHz and the 3600 MHz versions. Both kits offer excellent features for gamers and PC builders, but which one is the best fit for you? Let's find out. When it comes to memory speed, the 3600 MHz variant of the CORSAIR VENGEANCE LPX RAM outperforms its 3200 MHz counterpart. This higher speed can lead to improved performance in gaming and multitasking scenarios, making it a more desirable option for enthusiasts looking to maximize their system's capabilities. However, the 3200 MHz RAM still offers solid performance for most users, especially those on a budget. Latency is another critical factor to consider. The 3200 MHz RAM features tighter timings at CL16, which can result in faster response times in certain applications. In contrast, the 3600 MHz RAM has CL18 timings, which, while still acceptable, may not provide the same level of performance in latency-sensitive tasks. Therefore, if low latency is a priority for your applications, the 3200 MHz option may be the better choice. Price is always a significant consideration when choosing RAM. The 3200 MHz kit is priced at $71, making it a more budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the 3600 MHz kit is slightly more expensive at $75. If you are looking for the best performance for your dollar, the 3200 MHz RAM offers excellent value, especially for users who may not need the extra speed of the 3600 MHz variant. In conclusion, both the CORSAIR VENGEANCE LPX 3200 MHz and 3600 MHz RAM kits offer excellent performance and features. Your choice should depend on your specific needs, whether you prioritize speed, latency, or budget. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.